My main gripe about the pre-uni math education is the focus on computation. The example I always give is the volume of the sphere, because a lot of people can probably recite the formula for it, but most might not be taught where that formula came from. Of course, there are more examples, but this is my go-to. The problem is the math taught is so computational that when I told my friends that I'm studying math in a uni, their response might be, "Oh, do you just add bigger numbers?" This just highlights the problem that the general public sees math as an equivalent to computation, which makes them hate math. But what is the solution? I hate to say, but I don't know. It's such a thorny issue. A university, especially popular ones, receives so many applications a year that most likely they have to rely on some automation for at least the first round of screening. And to do that screening, you have to use something like grades to summarize an applicant. And you know what that means? You have to take some test or some form of assessment to get a grade. If you need an assessment to quantify a student, for math at least, you most likely turn to computations in the written test, basically testing whether students can use the quadratic formula or something like that. So I think the main obstacle is this chain of consequences. And to solve that, you either have to change the format of assessment, say a math project instead of an exam, or even just avoid this problem altogether by making math not compulsory. Basic level math, sure, compulsory, but higher level ones not necessary. You would think that as a math lover I wouldn't say this, but a lot of people truly don't need these in their daily life. Sure, they have applications, but most people really don't need to care. I think that forcing people to learn a subject that they don't like just makes them hate it. So maybe consider the possibility that this kind of computational math aren't really for everyone. But are these really the best solutions to the problem? I don't know.